Purchasing a new car is one of life's big moments. Exciting and a little scary because the road ahead is not always straight and flat. Sometimes life throws you a curve, like a big car repair. That can mean money out of your pocket. Premier service contract programs can help protect you and your wallet from unexpected breakdowns and repair costs. Premier offers a range of coverage levels, from basic powertrain all the way up to our exclusionary coverage, which includes thousands of components. Coverage is provided during and after your manufacturer warranty expires. So whether your car is new or already out of warranty, you can be protected. You choose the term you need based on how long you plan to own your vehicle and how many miles you drive each year. And you choose your desired level of coverage and deductible. We even have a disappearing deductible that goes to zero when you return to your selling dealership for your repairs. When a breakdown occurs, Premier will be there for you, providing roadside assistance, towing, a rental vehicle during covered repairs, even trip interruption reimbursement if your breakdown occurs more than 100 miles from home. Not to mention managing the vehicle repair process for you with the repair facility. Premier can help get you back on the road, protecting your investment and eliminating your worries, so you can just enjoy the ride wherever your journey takes you.